Welcome back, everybody, to Dave and Sheila's What's Next. We're back to an old project we were doing. We had renters come in, so we let them rent for a little while, and then they moved out. And I'll show you around the place a little bit. This here, the yard. It was pretty much overgrown. It was bad. It was bad, so I had someone come out and do it for us. Since we're working in the house, it's just back here's got to be cleared away still. We'll save that for another day. But it looks 100 times better than what it did. It was really bad. That there's supposed to be a pig pen that didn't take down yet. Still waiting on that. And got these bricks here. This is all gotta go. That's all gotta go. All this trash around here. That's why we ain't renting no more. We're out of the renting business. Fence definitely's got to go. This here is the old homestead when they first built on this property, but now it's a garage. And over here's the house, the back of it anyway, screen porch, chimney. Don't know why you need a chimney in Florida though. Okay, let me take you inside. Okay, this is the room I left at last time I was painting these walls. Got the flooring in this room here, but quite ain't finished. I'm gonna do a little bit of that to put up my trim. And it's out of focus. Out of focus. There we go. I gotta put up the trim. I don't know. Of course, I gotta finish all the ends. Gotta take care of that in here. I'll be putting wood flooring in here. And of course, I gotta do the rest of the trim around here. I got none of it done. Never understood when you started something, you gotta finish it. But this kitchen is gonna be all redone. Everything about this kitchen is terrible. So Sheila's working on the door. She's sampling the door to redo it. So this bathroom here we're gonna remodel. So we tore out a bunch of stuff in here. We're remodeling this when I get to this room. See, it's all tore up. And take you down this way. Oh yeah, we did get new windows. I don't know. I think she showed you. I can't remember. Got some new windows around here. On this floor in this room. Not bad. Gonna change those, get rid of those mirrors for sure. And cover all that up. All that duct work there, I'll cover that up so you won't see that. I'll go back here, down to these rooms. Thing about this carpet, I don't really like carpet. No, we're out of focus again. I really don't like carpet, but last renters had a couple of dogs and we got infested with fleas. We treated and treated and treated, and I had Jimmy Littleton's steam cleaning come out and they steam cleaned my carpets the other day. And here's the master bedroom. It's out of focus again. Sheila's be working on these walls. I guess this weekend she's going to start working back on these walls and painting this all up. Hey, it's me. I dig that blue room, huh? Blue room with blue carpet. How 1970 is that? This bathroom here had a remodel, but I got to come in and do a little bit more to it. I'm quite not done here. I used to have a bathtub in here. Tore that out. Did a walk-in shower. It came up pretty good, I think. Put a bench in, built a bench. So yeah, it's the bathroom. It was remodeled, just a little more work to it. I'll be done. Oh, I'm getting tired of remodeling houses, man. A never-ending project. That's why we're not renting no more. I always seem to get screwed at the end. But they still got to come and pick a bunch of their junk up around here. Still waiting on that. Got all kinds of excuses why we can't. But oh well, what it is what it is. If they don't come, I'll just take it to the dump. And we can't wait till this kitchen is redone. And then there's the old Brady Bunch oven there. Need another one that matches just like it. But yes, the screen's got to go. It's all got to go. And until then, we'll talk at you later. I'm gonna get going here. Bye for now. If you like what you see, don't forget and go down and subscribe and give us one of these. See you later.